morning guys, welcome back to another vlog. Well, I had a really long sleep today, but after all I just came to enjoy this beautiful weather again today. But right now I just came to wash my car, and I'll show you how do we wash our car in England. Well, there are three ways to wash our cars in England. So the first way is you go to hand car wash and someone will wash it for you. And the second thing that you wash it by yourself on the service station. And the third thing that you can wash your car at home. Okay? So now I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna wash my car here at service station. Okay? That was the first part where I covered all my car with an ice foam, and the next part will be just to wash this car with a clear water. And the last thing what I'll do, I'll just wrap this car. So, as you can see, I didn't put all the coins in one go. So I started with first 3 months where I just covered all my car with foam, and I'll just cover all the clean spots. So that was the first part, and the second part I'll put the car in a machine, and I'll start using Hey guys, my car is nice and clean now, it's just shining. So remember 3 simple rules guys. First of all, the first thing, just add your first coin and cover your car with all the foam, and then if any parts are missing or hidden, so you can just use cover it with your brush. So later on, then when your car is all covered with foam, so then you can add another coin and you can clear and clean with all the water. So to be honest, it took me only about 10 minutes to clean my car, and so far I spent only £2. So it's clear and simple rules. Now I just washed my car and I'll be heading towards some of the restaurant or whatever, because I'm quite hungry now and I'll be eating some food. It's pretty cloudy today, the weather is not too great, but I'll try my best to enjoy as much as I can. Alright guys, we'll catch you soon. Alright, so I've just parked my car on the side now, so I've just finished my car wash now. So what I'll do, I'll just simply wipe my car with the dry clothes, so later on there will be no water spots or anything like this. And if needed, you can also do vacuum in your car. I mean, on all service stations you can see there is a vacuum cleaner as well, so simply just need to add coins and it will start working for some specific time. So I'll tell you and I'll show you some techniques how to vacuum your car. Alright, so I've just washed my car now, and the second thing I'll do just hoover in my car. But it's the same technique with the hoover, guys. So if you want to vacuum your car, so make sure you take off all the big things from your car, like baby car seats, or any big like kind of cans or stuff like that, because otherwise you will be wasting a lot of time while you will add your money in your hoover, and I mean your time will be you will be just consuming your time for nothing. So make sure you take off all the big stuff from your car, like cans or big packets, wrappers or something like that, and then you can add your money and you can hoover your car. So it will save you money and it will save you time as well. Alright, cheers.